I'm super pumped, super duper uber, like really pumped right now because I am moving into my apartment today, and I'm gonna try not to cry in this video because my like excitement is so real, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, this is crazy. I'm actually standing in my place right now. So I'm gonna give you an empty house tour, and then if you guys like this video, I will give you an updated house tour when I furnish my apartment. But this is what's gonna show you an outlay so you can see the difference between now and after I hook it up and get it all together, because oh my gosh, it's been a crazy day though. Like, I have been handling so much business. I've been to the DMV, sat up there for almost 2 hours, going to the bank, just getting stuff like situated, and I just got back from out of town, so I'm stressed out a little bit. So my skin's breaking out and I look like this because I haven't had much time to do anything. My nails look bad, but it's okay. I'm moving in today. I don't care how bad I look. I'm so excited to show you my apartment. You guys, I manifested this apartment. I literally manifested this apartment. It's my dream apartment. And just looking at it right now, like, okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this empty house tour out the way because I have things to do. I just got my bed delivered, so I haven't decided where I'm gonna put it yet, but let me show you what it looks like. Alrighty, so you come through the front door and automatically to your left is my kitchen area. I have all new appliances. No one has ever lived in this apartment. Microwave, my stove, everything's so cute. I have a dishwasher. Oh my God, this is crazy. Cabinets are beautiful. I don't know why they have this fridge pulled out or why it's dusty, but it's brand new. That's all that matters. My fridge. And so let me give you like a step back. This is my full kitchen area. I'm gonna have something like there, of course. I'll let you guys see when everything is done. And then through this door is my bathroom. Oh, I do have a tub. I almost couldn't remember if I had a tub or a shower. But this is my restroom. I need to check to see. Oh, that is a real drawer. Wow. My mom was like, those drawers are probably fake because it's right under the sink, but it's actually real drawers, and you have like this weird cutout to fit the bottom of the sink, which is pretty cool. Oh, I have a shelf here. Ooh, I'm gonna have so much fun in this apartment. Okay. And then this is my tub. Really nice size. It's just me, you guys, so I don't need that much space. And then I'm gonna back up, and then this is my bedroom space. So come out the bathroom, you go here. That's a light. Oh, that's my bedroom light. I have no fans, which is cool. But this is my bedroom area. Here is my windows. They are floor to ceiling. Give you guys just a small view. Floor to ceiling windows. And then you have my closet. And my closet is, wow. My closet is actually pretty big. Look at all those shelves. Wow. Nice closet. Okay, so bedroom area, kitchen, and then front door, remember? And if you come straight through the front door, you have this side of the room. So this side is my bedroom. This side is my studio. This is my studio, my nice queen. No, this is a full-size bed. I was gonna get a queen, but it was not gonna be able to fit like how I wanted to. So I went ahead and got a full size. This is the overview of the full apartment. You guys, oh my gosh. Legit, I cannot even believe I'm standing in this space right now, calling it mine. I already feel the energy. Like, oh, this is next level. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited, you guys. This is crazy. Oh my God. Yes, so I came to do an empty house tour before I started all my paperwork and stuff because I'm about to start moving stuff in. But you guys, like, If you want to see a updated house tour, please let me know and I'll be sure to do that. My place is going to be decked out like it was in Dallas. So yeah, I mean, I want to talk more about how I manifested this apartment and how I made this dream come to reality simply because I knew exactly what I wanted. But yeah, I want to talk more. If you guys want to know more, please give this video a thumbs up. Please comment below that you want to know more about my move and how it is and how I'm feeling and stuff. And yeah, I just want to share with you guys how excited I really am. I truly am about this apartment. And 2020 is going to be a great year. If you have something that you want in mind, start manifesting it now. Now is the time to really make things happen for yourself. And oh, I'm just so excited, you guys. I'm about to get off of here because I got stuff to do. What's up, y'all? So it's the next day. I spent my first night in my place last night and it felt really good. I was comfortable. I look a lot better today. Had to get myself together, but we're going to proceed our shopping today. I'm not getting a lot of stuff. I'm just gonna get a couple pieces of furniture so I can start doing my setup for YouTube. So we're gonna go to a couple stores and of course I'll bring you guys with me. Yeah, we're about to go ahead and head out. I'm about to go do Stella's hair and then we're gonna finish shopping. So I'll catch up with you guys later. Still empty, but we're getting there. All right, y'all, so we are shopping first today at Goodwill. You never know what treasures you'll find at a thrifty shop or consignment shop. So let's see what they got. You love thrifting, Fred? That's crazy all your life. What? Oh, let's look in the mirror. Ooh, hey, hi. See, this is why you can't take black people nowhere. So they have furniture. This one's really good and clean. Oh, that's cute. I wish it was white. It would be perfect. It was white. What kind of paint?
I don't know. Tina does that type of stuff. You have to call and ask her. I don't know.
What?
It's perfect though.
It is perfect, right?
Yeah.
$12.99. Yeah, I was at it. Y'all, this desk is only $12.99.
And who found it?
Whatever. Okay, so I got a desk. Yay. Now I need to find somebody that's gonna help me. Alrighty, so we got my desk at Goodwill. I'm gonna have to paint it. And now we are at the infamous IKEA. She couldn't wait to swing her brain. IKEA! I've been to IKEA one time with Sandy. Shout out to my girl Sandy. I miss you, girl. Can't wait to come to New York and see you. But I went for my first time with Sandy and I fell in love. Like the food, the furniture, all of that was good. We was in IKEA grubbing like it was a restaurant. But we're gonna see what we can find in IKEA. I'm only looking for 2 tables, preferably the same type of table for my vanity and my filming area. And I'm looking for a bookshelf. So that's all I need. This stuff kind of gives me anxiety because it's so big.
It's so much. It's overwhelming.
It's bad as well.
I smell food.
So far, we have this. I found my plants. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this plant was only $12.99. Love it. All right, let's go to some shelves because we gotta fit a lot more stuff on this basket. Maybe we should have stepped with the big basket. Maybe. Just
Maybe.
a little.
Just a little.
Just a little. I mean, saying. You can carry it. You know what I'm saying?
And not.
Oh my gosh, you guys. IKEA is so big. Okay, I think it's on the other side of this. This is aisle 9. Literally, let's go. But this side is out 8. Wait, wait. You have to go to this big ass warehouse and find your furniture yourself. Alrighty, y'all. So we are done shopping at IKEA. Yay! Got a lot of stuff. She's tired, hangry, ready to eat. Happy New Year's Eve, by the way. Everyone watching. About to grab a bite to eat and then go home, set up. I'll be done for the day. Pull my New Year's Eve in. Hit a couple parties up, period. Yup.